boots on the ground, putting it down. Get up, get up. I got something to tell you. I don't think they want you to know, but I'm going to tell you anyway. It's best-selling author Mickey D. I host The Scoop. I want to thank you for joining me. It's a pleasure. It's an honor to be on your electronic device. Thank you very, very much, my friends. My friends, as you know, it's nice and warm and toasty in the desert Southwest. 42 degrees Celsius, my friends. 108 degrees Fahrenheit. It is nice and warm. No, you still, I'm warmer than you. La 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 la. I'm warmer than you. I'm hotter than you. Even Megan over in Spain is only about 80 degrees there. I mean, it's hot out this way, guys. You guys, I know, some of you guys in Texas and some of you guys up in Canada, I know, man, it's a little warmish there, but not like it is in the desert, man. It's tough, guys. You know, guys, I was over at Raider Nation yesterday talking to some of those people over there, taking a look at Henderson, their new practice facility. Watch out, guys. The Raiders are on the way. New Las Vegas Raiders. This is their first year. And, you know, we did a show over at the stadium last year. You know, we're looking at the rare earths and stuff. That's some good stuff to look at, you guys. I don't know. John, you were asking me, is it a good time to get in Texas mineral? Hey, get in where you fit in, man. I can't tell you where to get in. Get in where you fit in. Pullbacks is what we always encourage. You know, if there's pullbacks, then you guys can get in there. But I'm going to tell you, though, Darius, the next time you roll out here, we're going to roll to the, I'm going to take you over to the stadium, man. You bring Darion and DeMarcus with you. You bring your dad, John, too. And we'll go over to the stadium, and we'll see what's going on over there. And I'll let you guys in on what I know about the little stadium and the little practice area, my friends. Well, my friends, hey, just a second. You guys know I'm not a stockbroker. I'm not a money manager. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm an author. You guys know that, right? I write books, right? My books can be found on Amazon.com. You can get the audio book, the paperback book, or the ebook, my friends. All kinds of books out there under Mickey D-E-E. My friends, you know, make money online with cannabis stocks. One of the first stocks we keyed on the Scoop, and one of the first stocks we researched in there, one of the first stocks we were investors with, was Canopy Growth. Canopy Growth is a big time, big wig, you know, out there. Big time. Canopy's big time. You know, we got in Canopy at under $3. Rode Canopy up to over $6. $60. We made big money, man. 60 bucks out there. We made all kinds of money out there, my friends, with Canopy and some of the other companies in Canada. But my friends, Canopy, what is Mickey D talking about? Institutional is what I'm talking about, my friends. I'm talking about institutional FOMO. That's what I'm talking about. Institutional FOMO. I'm talking about institutional fear of missing out on the marijuana trade. Because a lot of people weren't there in 2017 when we ran up. And I've got some videos there. I'll tell you, this is part of a playlist, my friends, on this institutional FOMO that no one else sees but us, The Scoop. We see it. Lead Canopy, my friends. Last week I told you Canopy has to have 3 days when it closes up above that 2021 area or so, let's say. Canopy closed up Wednesday, after hours, 2005. So we'll count Wednesday. Thursday, today, we'll count today because today it closes up over $21, over $22 after hours, right? And tomorrow, if we close up above where we open tomorrow, my friends, it's game on. It's game on. Other guys, Mickey D, what are you talking about? We're in the middle of a bear market. I get it, man. I get it. But see, some people don't see the changing of the guard here. And I see with Tilt Holdings, our baby knockout, that has the ability to take over this area. We're talking about nuts and bolts. We're talking about you know, the guts of this industry. We're talking about Tilt Hold. And I got a little story. You guys remember James Dines, my mentor back in the day, old schooler, you know, legendary trader. James said, when we were looking at the internets, right? As you guys know, I took AOL. He was saying, look at Cisco Systems. This is the nuts and bolts. This is the guts of the internet. At the time, nobody knew anything about the internet. Nobody wanted to know anything about the internet. He was going to revolutionize, get this, 8 cents, guys. Look at Cisco Systems today. 8 cents, great dividend. The rest is history, my friends. I'm telling you right now that we may have in Tilt Holdings, we may have our guts of this thing, my friends. We just may have our guts here. We'll see. We'll look at their earnings. We'll scrutinize their earnings, and we'll see if they can bring the second tier up to the top. We'll see. It's going to be tough, my friends. It's not this international thing. I'm out there on an island by myself, as usual. Just like when I said the smart money was moving down from Canada down to America years ago, I was on an island by myself. People catch up to you. They catch up to you a little later, my friends. But as long as we're ahead, like one of my subscribers said, light years ahead of what's going on, we'll be all right, my friends. Just like in the uranium sector, my friends, you know, things pan out the way we think they will, then our little pennies right now will be dollars. Just like gold and silver, our little pennies right now, our little lunch money, our dinner money, our movie money that we've been sacrificing and holding on to will be big money someday. Yes, Sir Wardo, I like Organigram. Yes, some of that, you guys, you feeling me? Anybody, Slugger Slow? Sonny D, John? Anybody hearing me? Is this thing on? KP Video News, can you hear me? You know, Izzy, Mike P, you out there? Mike P, Roadworks, you out there? What's going on here? Is this thing working? Let me tap this. Guys, institutional FOMO is here. You know, I didn't have a wake-up call because I was out in all that heat at Raider Nation yesterday. No, my friends, I see it. You may not see it, but I see it. So we'll see. It's based on the earnings tomorrow. CANOPY has to give me that 3 days. The third day is tomorrow. Give us 3 days, CANOPY, and CANOPY will be undoubtedly the leader in this business, which they are already because Constellation Brands has their back. But, you know, they'll be treated a little differently. You know, they're going to have a big write-off just like Tilt Holdings did. They had that $500 million write. Well, they're going to top Tilt Holdings probably and have a bigger one. But anyway, they'll look at them differently. You know, it's like you look at one company one way, then you look at another company another way. And that's the way Wall Street is. Wall Street is very discriminatory, okay? Who they like is who they like. If they don't like you, they don't like you. That's Wall Street, you know. You're talking to somebody that knows. You're talking to the choir here, my friends. So I know Wall Street, you know, my style early on, you know, CNBC doing some things early on, it was okay. But now, no. McDog, no. Mickey D, you ain't, no. This is what we need. We need somebody that's gonna, well, that's not gonna get you the kind of money that, anyway, my friends, that's for another story. One of my friends was reminding me, he said, Mickey D, you remember when you got sick, that time you made that trade and got sick? He was reminding me, you guys, I don't think I've ever shared the story with you guys about my Amazon trade. That was the worst trade I ever made, I believe, because I was sick for like a month after that. I had to watch what I ate in my stomach. I bought Amazon at $4, right? I sold Amazon at $10. That's a great trade. Buy it at $4 and sell it at $10. This is back in the day, the internet's, right? When I was trading the .coms. My friends, it proceeded to go up to $100. Do you know how, you know, we don't chase them, we replace them. But you know how my stomach felt for days and days and days? Have you ever had a trade like that where you sell a stock and you just watch it go up for days and days and days and days? You know, it kind of gets to your stomach, you know, and that's what Amazon. But my friends, full disclosure, I own Amazon now, and I will not sell it ever again. I won't sell Amazon ever again. But that's not the point, my friends. CANOPY, Tilt, on deck. Let's do it. Love you. God bless you. Take care of you and your family. Thank you guys for the donations. Thank you guys for chiming in. Give me a thumbs up. Let me know you're out there, my friends. That red button right there, boom, it's all good. Love you. God bless you.